What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy ricothewaver, and we back again with another banger, man. Yes, let's go. We back again with another banger. Let's do it. Hey, y'all see this fire silky? Hold on, look how far the cake dropped. Oh my God, this silky is fire. Go get yours right now, ricosmerch.com, man. Right now. I'm telling you, A1. But in today's video, man, make sure y'all, first of all, go watch the last videos, because I'm back and I dropped some videos. So if you ain't seen this one, go watch those. Oh yeah, and we finna hop back on TikTok too. You already know. So in today's video, I'm pretty much gonna be telling you what to do when your waves, you first wake up in the morning. Like your waves is just, it could be all over the place. Your do-rag could have slipped. Hey, anything could have happened while you was asleep. You sleeping for at least, you should at least get about 8 hours of sleep, 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Hey, at least. So make sure y'all go to sleep early, man. So pretty much I'm gonna tell you what you need to do. So first, of course, you need your comb, you need your Rico's merch brush, soft brush. This is a soft brush, not a medium. This is a soft. This is a soft brush. Yes, it feels like a medium, but it's a soft. It just has a lighter little tug length. So it's like a medium soft, you could say, I guess, but it's a soft. But anyway, grab your soft brush, your medium and your hard, depending on what stage you're woofing on. My brushes are not made for woofing. I have a medium and a soft medium. This one right here, the red and the blue, the Ferrari and this blue. So my brushes are not made for when you're woofing. If you have long hair and you test out my brushes, or you're using my brushes or my crown brush, it's not gonna be as effective as it is when you're woofing as it is when you have low cut or when you're going into the woof. My brushes are gonna help you, push you into that woof. We don't have a hard brush yet over here at Rico's Merch. We taking baby steps. We getting everything as we go. Wait a minute. I think I'm slipping. I ain't got my mirror. 1 second. All right, I'm back, man. That fast. 1 second. I told you 1 second. I'm back. I got my mirror. I got my comb. Let's come out the wrap. So this is what we looking like right now. Nothing too crazy. So a lot of our hair does need attention. So grab that comb. Yeah, okay. I think my little brother, somebody been using this comb. It wasn't me. Hate when somebody else use my comb, man. Like somebody been combing teddy bears or something with it. All kind of red stuff. I ain't never combed nothing red on my head in my life. So you pretty much just want to comb though. Make sure y'all follow along with me. I'm talking, y'all should be combing, y'all should be following my steps. You want to comb for at least 10 to 15 minutes or 5 minutes tops. And y'all gonna stop getting on me about talking too much. This is my video. You came to my channel to watch me. Go down the street if you don't want to hear me talk. You pretty much want to just comb until you feel comfortable. Until you know for sure you feeling comfortable where your hair stage is at. You want to comb. This mirror dirty. I gotta clean my mirror, man. Get that stuff on my beard. I hate when I make videos and go back and watch it later and I got stuff all in my beard, man. Just go all out. So if y'all don't know, now you know. I am low-key woofing. It ain't too much hair, but it's a little bit of hair up there. Because when you firstly coming back into the wave game, you ain't gonna just get flawless from brushing and just, it's gonna come with combing, it's gonna come with a lot, it's gonna come with all that. And right now, I'm just getting my little 5-minute brush, my 5-minute comb session in. So don't stop combing just because I stop and I'm talking to y'all. Y'all should be combing or doing what you do. Even if you comb for 5 minutes already and you pause whatever you do, you ready for the next step. Wait, you moving too fast because I ain't even done yet. But like I was saying, when you coming back into the wave game after scalping like I did, y'all want to go back and watch my old videos, I've been spinning way harder than this. You coming back, you're gonna have to comb, you're gonna have to get in that mirror, you're gonna have to make sure everything is precise, you're gonna have to woof a little bit. You know, don't do no crazy, you don't have to woof crazy amount of time, especially depending if you're a coarse, medium, or a straight hair waver. You don't have to go crazy on the woofing for a long time, because at that point you just woofing for the fun of it. It ain't no much is like, at that point you just woofing for the fun of it. It's not like you woofing to better your stuff, because after a certain point your hair is gonna over curl, or you're just gonna reach curl length and your hair, you ain't no longer reaching that scalp. So tendency for like a coarse hair waver, I say the max a coarse hair waver should go is 10 weeks. I mean, that's just for a coarse hair waver. I don't know about medium or nothing like that. I think y'all's like 15 maybe, but even 15 is a lot. So I think the max is about 10 to 12 weeks at a minimum you should be going. That's about it. After that, bro, it's time to cut, because at that point you just whiffing for clout. You just whiffing for the fun of it. You don't even gotta be for clout. You just whiffing for the fun of it. All that woofing for a whole year and all that, nah, that's just to see how long you can keep your hair laid down. At that point, you no longer gaining new progress. Shit, if anything, you losing progress because you can't fully reach down to that scalp no more. Know what I mean? You know, knock the little hairs off your shirt, whatever you gotta do. You fully combed out. Wipe the barbecue sauce off your forehead. Wipe the sweat off your neck, fat boy. And then today we're gonna be using this pomade right here. This pomade is called, actually it's not even a pomade, this is a butter. I'm sorry, got it wrong. This is a deep 360 mango butter. Ingredients are grapeseed oil. I'm sorry if I butcher this. apricot. That's what it is. Apricot oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, almond oil, and essential oils. Okay, this is from Sick. Y'all can find this at Sick Kicks on Instagram. Make sure y'all go tap in with her. Get y'all stuff so y'all can see. Well, of course y'all gonna want to see how it is in my hair first, but make sure y'all go tap in, because I know it's fire. I tried it out before. So you want to go tap in with Sick Kicks 8822. Get your butter, mango butter. This is how it looks for those of y'all who want to see how it look. That's how it is. This is the consistency of it. This is it right here. That's her Instagram right there. Now it may be a little softer than usual because where I keep my products at in the bathroom, it's gets a little hot in there, so the moisture, but this is the consistency of it. It breaks down real good. I really like it. So that's how that is. We're gonna take a little bit of that, a little bit extra of that, because we are on a mini woof. As y'all see, my hair is not that low. It's real kind of thick. So I'm gonna just show y'all real quick so y'all can see how it is, and watch how fast it break down, so you know you got a good product. That's when you know you got a good product. It can come from that form, from being solid like that, and break down like this. It's good natural product. So we're gonna just flow that into my hair. As y'all can see, look at that. Now, right now, I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna go crazy on the brush session. I'm gonna shut up because y'all be saying I talk too much. Pick up your brush and go, damn, this stuff smells good. I ain't never smelled, that must be the mango. That's that one. Yeah, that's the mango. Mango, I don't even got mango. That's apricot. I ain't never had apricot. It must be grapeseed or apricot or whatever essential oils you put in here. It smell the bomb. All right, y'all, so now that y'all laid your hair down with the hard brush or medium, depending on where your hair is at during that woof stage, my woof is starting to get out of control because, you know, my hair is not trained to that right now because I did scalp. So I am finna cut eventually. I am gonna keep track of my woof, so the cut finna come real soon. And I'm gonna take y'all on that journey. Of course, y'all gonna wanna see the cut. But yeah, lay it down with that hard brush. And if y'all don't know what this is right here, this is a lay down G. Lay it down. Just a fancier plastic bag to lay down your hair, lay down the frizzy hairs like that. And that's basically what I do every morning, or that's what you could do in the morning to basically get your day started and your hair looking fresh, depending on where you're going and depending on how fast you can get through this little session. But of course, you want to wake up and get a real session in, or if you're just on the go, I can make a video on what you could do on the go and you trying to rush out. Let me know if y'all want that down in the comments below. Everything will be linked down in the description below, where you can find me on Instagram at Rico's Merch, ricothewaver. Follow me on Instagram. If you ain't got one, make one. Follow me so you can stay up to date when I'm not on YouTube. Also, if y'all want any of the brushes or any of the do-rags I use, it will be linked down in the description below at ricosmerch.com. That's where y'all can find it. Great deals. We offer free shipping. If you spend over $59.99, you automatically get free shipping using code FREE99 every time. Man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video to 100 likes. Hey, and go tune in with my other videos. Rico the Waver, I'm out.